We finally reached one of the last tutorials that we have within the Portal application. Today we're going to be exploring what's called the Portal settings. So we want to make a very important distinction. When you are in your Portal home application, you will see either one or multiple organizations based on what you have. Recall that one organization refers to the organization profile and all of the daycares and programs that you have within this umbrella. When you're in the organization, all of the navigation items that you'll see on the left-hand side are for this individual organization. Recall that we have the home, we have the profiles, we have enrollment, resources, your drive, posts, and analytics. The last one that we have been covering, but in an informal manner, is this settings button at the bottom. You see that this is the organization settings. It is not the Portal settings. The organization settings has the owner, it has your current plan, and it has any deletions management for how you can delete an organization. There's also tabs as well for subscriptions and for all the information that you need to know about how deletion works within an organization. If I click the Lucy logo on the top left-hand side, we actually leave an organization and we're outside an organization in the Portal home. We have a set of buttons right here. So we have apps, which can return us back to the Lucy main platform or can take us directly into one of the other apps like Marketplace or like Spark. We have a help modal right here that tells us everything we need to know about Portal. And on the opposite side, we have the chats button that shows us the drop down of all the different chats that we have for the organizations that we have, including our account or any organization. And then we see the settings button right here. So this settings button right here is the same one as this drop down. I'm going to click it. And you see that these are specifically the Portal settings. The Portal settings allows you to see your main account, which includes the icon, your email, your phone for authentication, and then your first name, last name, and date of birth. It also allows you to set a default organization. So what is a default organization? If you happen to have one organization, it's something that you never have to worry about. But if I happen to have multiple organizations, this is the organization where I'll be directly taken into when I arrive at the Portal application from the main platform. So let's see what that looks like. Since right now, Little Acorn is selected as the default organization, if I were to go here to the main site and I go to Lucy Platform, on the top right here, I have a button to go directly to the Portal app. If I click this, you see I arrive directly within the Little Acorn homepage. I don't actually arrive within the Portal home. And the reason for this is we want to make it as simple for you as possible to be able to quickly work with the organization that is most active to you. If instead in the settings, I were to change this to the ABC Montessori one, and then we refresh right here, and click the Portal button again, you see in this time we get redirected to the ABC Montessori one. So since the other one actually happens to be the one that I use the most, I'm going to keep it on that one and click Save. You also have all the notification settings for the types of notifications and the frequency that you want to receive them as, both in-app through this button right here, and then also with email as well. I can click the notifications button right here, and I have all the different notifications within Portal. The notifications can be filtered also by specific organization. So if I click right here for Little Acorn, these are only the notifications related to this organization. So you see that we have total 14 unread notifications, and 6 of them are related to this daycare. I can click Mark All Read, and that will disappear any notifications bubble that I have. Returning to the settings, I keep scrolling down past notifications, and we see the delete account information. We're going to be covering deleting accounts and deleting organizations in the next video. So that's everything that you need to know about your settings, both the settings within Portal, and then also the settings for individual organizations right here at the bottom. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and feel free to reach out to us for more help. Thanks again for watching.